What is civil law? Civil law, in everyday U.S. usage, refers to the body of law that governs disputes between private parties, contracts, torts, personal injury, property, family, and estates as distinct from criminal law, where the state prosecutes crimes. As a term, civil law can also refer to code-based legal systems, but in U.S. practice it commonly denotes private law matters and civil litigation. Sources of law. Primary sources include statutes, codes, common law decisions, contracts, and regulations. Courts interpret statutes and set precedents, so case law is a central source in many areas such as tort and contract law. Major areas. Typical subdivisions are contracts, agreements and remedies, torts, negligence, strict liability, property, ownership, leases, family, marriage, custody, divorce, and estates, wills, probate. Each area has its own rules for formation of rights and remedies. How disputes proceed. A civil claim usually begins with a complaint filed by the injured party, followed by discovery, document exchange, depositions, possible settlement, and if necessary a trial where courts award damages, injunctions or specific performance. Procedures are governed by civil procedure rules. Contracts, practical view. Contracts require offer, acceptance, consideration, and lawful purpose. Remedies for breach include damages, specific performance, rare, or rescission. Good drafting clarifies duties and limits risk. Torts, practical view. Tort law compensates victims for wrongful harm. Negligence requires duty, breach, causation, and damages. Some torts impose strict liability, such as certain product liability cases. Examples. Example 1, landlord-tenant dispute over repairs and security deposit, civil suit for damages or specific performance. Example 2, car collision where one driver sues for medical bills and lost wages, negligence claim. Example 3, breach of business contract, suit for damages or enforcement. Relationship with criminal law. Some facts can generate both civil and criminal cases. Civil remedies focus on compensation and restitution, not punishment. In summary, civil law organizes private rights and remedies, enabling individuals and businesses to enforce agreements, obtain compensation for harms, and determine ownership and family rights through established legal procedures.